Hey there, it's Shay here, and right now in this video, I've decided to show you one of my Make Money Online campaigns making up to $700 in a day. This is something that I usually only show my students, but every now and then I love showing other people such as yourself these kinds of campaigns just to get a small glimpse of what a successful Make Money Online campaign looks like. And, I hope this encourages you because, you clicked on this video, so you're obviously trying to make money online. And I've even had many of my students find me a similar way that you have right now. And they've gone on to make their own successful Make Money Online campaigns. Because all it really takes is somebody that is willing to give you some of their time to show you what it really takes to make money online. So I'll try and keep this video short and sweet. So I'm just going to jump straight over to the network right here that I use to run these Make Money campaigns. And again, this is something that I usually only show my students because, these are full reports. As you can see, it's just defaulted to this month and up to today. So we're in October today and it's the 19th. And just to keep this video as short as possible, I'm just going to scroll down just so you can see what this thing is being able to do so far this month. So only in 19 days, and as I said, we're in October, it's the 19th right now, and we're not even halfway through the day. It's just before lunchtime here. So I'm certainly expecting this 19th today to pick up even more than what it is. So far, we've racked up bit over $7,000 so far in the 19 days so far. And I just want to point out as well, this is just one of my networks that I use, and I use around 6 or so at this point. It seems to always be changing. Sometimes I'm using 4, sometimes I'm even using 7. It really just depends, and there's a lot of technicalities that go on behind the scenes which really says, if I'm using less or if I'm using more networks. Basically, what I would do there is if I was using more networks, I would be spreading my traffic out further, or I would be running more traffic sources. But this network here is definitely one of my favorites because I've had it running for almost around 2 years or so now. So it's a really stable income generator, and I've really aimed to push a little more traffic to this one so it really picks up over the next month or so. And as you can see, if I just fly through some of the numbers here, just so you can get an idea of what this thing has been doing, without going into too much detail, I mean, if you probably haven't noticed, you'll see a clicks column here. Okay, so there's no actual sales or even lead generation going on here. I'm getting paid for clicks. This RPC column is revenue per click. So for today, for example, I'm getting paid $7.57 per click. And that's how we've arrived at this pretty cool figure already just for today in this one network. $514 with only 68 clicks. And if we just cruise through some of these numbers earlier in the month, so we got 250, 400, 464, 600, 300, 300, 650, 460, 389, 420, 586, $708 on the 17th. And again, on today, the 19th, we're around lunchtime right now. So I'm really expecting this day to get up to around the 700 plus mark. But as I said, I'm not going to jump too much into detail here with this campaign, because what this video is really about is hopefully motivating you to go and do something just like this yourself. Because it is possible. It's still possible to make money online, but the point I'm trying to make here is that you need someone that can show you how to do it. Of course, you could spend months or even years trying to figure it out yourself, But since I have already helped thousands of my own students do this very thing to make their first dollar online, or even go from making $50 a day or $100 a day to, $300, $400, $500 a day, I know I can help you do the same, but only if you are serious and only if you are willing to take action right now. And it's really simple to take action. If you are serious again, and while I have this available, all you have to do is click the link in the description. So find the link at the top of the description right now and click it. There'll just be a short, quick bit.ly link to jump straight over to my site. And I'm also going to just jump over to my site right now just to show you exactly what step to take next. So once you're here on the site, this is what you will see. Then all you have to do is enter your best email address right here in the field. So enter that in right here, and then super simple, just click the Get Instant Access button. That's going to get you instant access to my welcome email, and my welcome email is going to have a bunch of information to get you started today. And again, it's really simple. Just to find my welcome email, go check your own inbox, the email address that you just typed in on my site, and click the access button. Go check that email address. I will shortly have an email for you there that's going to get you started today. So go do those few things right now while I still have this available. Take action. Thanks very much for watching my video here. I'm looking forward to showing you these campaigns and much more. I'll work with you soon.